Hi, this is Ben, and I'm looking at Lego set 21138, the Melon Farm. This is a cute little Minecraft set. It is 69 pieces, and only comes with one instruction booklet. And it's all centered around this melon farm. Let's see what comes with this set. It includes 2 minifigures, a Steve, and a villager. Also comes with a creeper. This comes with a melon banner, some actual watermelons, and a carrot that you can actually pull out of the ground. It also comes with a pig, and you can use this carrot on a stick. So when you're riding on the pig, you can make your pig run. It also comes with a chest. There's some seeds in there. And of course, just the setting of the farm with the grass and the water and a little waterfall there. One of the cool features of this set is the exploding creeper feature. So you can make a little explosion by pushing down this button here, and it explodes your watermelon. It's a great little addition to your Minecraft display or setup. Use it on its own or combine it with other Minecraft sets. Hope this helps. Thanks for watching.